like it friends, subscribe it, and please click on the notification bell and get our all notifications by clicking all. So friends, here we're going to learn how to create a YouTube channel in our mobile. I have a mobile. I'm going to show you in my mobile how to create a YouTube channel in our mobile within 1 or 2 minutes friends. So here we'll open a YouTube page. After opening YouTube page, you can see the V sign top of my mobile. We'll click on that. Here you can see your channel YouTube Studio. We'll click on your channel. Your channel I have clicked, and now you can see here one setting sign is there. We'll click on that settings, and after that you can see here one pencil sign is there. Dogra Masih is written, and really I want to keep my name here, custom name, or I want to give another name. So friend, I will click on that pencil here. Just I have opened to show you that how to write our name. So Dogra Masih I have written. I will click on the OK. So now we need to write our description also friend. Here we'll click on our description also. So here I have written, hope you will have good time. So I have just shown you have to write something in your description. We'll click on OK. So here friends, you can see that your YouTube channel is created within 1 minute, which I have done before you friends, and you also can do friends this thing. And here keep all my subscriptions private. So I do not keep my subscribers private, so I will keep it off. So but my playlist I will keep it private, so I will not click it on. So friends, this was a small video to show you how to create a YouTube channel in our mobile friends, and I hope that you have learned something friends. We will meet with a new video and with new update. Thank you so much friends for watching, and if you have not subscribed, please do not forget to subscribe my channel friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.